Our official address? 13 degrees north of the equator and 122 degrees east of Greenwich, between the Pacific Ocean and the South China Sea along the northeastern rim of Southeast Asia. Next time you write snail mail, you might want to put that in after the zip code. If you're feeling extra industrious, put planet Earth.
We're comprised of 7,107 islands, only 2,773 of which have names at present.
We occupy 300,000 square meters, making us the same size as Italy. Luzon is the largest, followed by Mindanao, both of which comprise 2/3 of our landmass.
We're as big as Italy?
We're in the Pacific Rim of Fire! The Pacific Rim of Fire is an arc that starts in New Zealand, extends all the way up the eastern side of Asia, onto the Aleutian Islands of Alaska, and down the coastline of North and South America. The Pacific Rim of Fire accounts for over 75% of the world's active and dormant volcanoes, and over 90% of the world's earthquakes occur here. That's a whole lot of shaking going on.
The Philippine Deep, also known as the Mindanao Trench, rests on the Eurasian and Philippine Sea tectonic plates, which constantly grind and shift against each other. To the east, it stretches over 1,000 miles. 34,850 feet below sea level. It's as deep as Mount Everest is tall.
We have 2 seasons, wet and dry. Our climate is either tropical rainforest, tropical savanna or tropical monsoon, or humid subtropical in higher altitude areas, characterized by relatively high temperature, oppressive humidity, and plenty of rainfall. The northern and eastern parts of the country are in the typhoon belt, and we are visited by over 20 typhoons each year. In the Cordilleras, we get Siberian winds, and it can get very chilly.
We are one of the most mega-diverse countries in the world, with over 11,000 species of plants, over half of which are endemic. 40% of our vertebrates and over 70% of our insects are also endemic. Locals only.
We have one of the longest coastlines in the world, despite having a relatively small landmass. Our coastline is estimated to be between 17,000 and 33,000 kilometers. So we're either 4th or 8th in the world, depending on who you want to believe.
We are one of the world's top 26 biological hotspots and second in the world in number of species per square kilometer. 70% of our reptiles and 44% of our birds can't be found anywhere else.